Do you want to maximize your cryptocurrency portfolio? You're accumulating Bitcoin, but you also want to earn some interest without complicating your life? So hit the like button and we'll tell you how here on Crypto News with Rodrigo Arnedo, Crypto to the Max. You're accumulating Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, maybe for a short time, or maybe you have more experience. It doesn't matter. Surely you sometimes wonder why not get more of those cryptos, make your money work for you, as we often say on the channel, to one day achieve our financial freedom, that moment when we finally have more monthly income than expenses without having to work. Usually the possibility for trading comes to mind, but let's be realistic. Did you know that according to some experts, only 5% of people who trade actually end up making money? For some to win, others have to lose. Do you think you'll be in the 5% of traders in the world who make money, or in the other 95% who feed those who win? I know where I stand. I tried it and lost. For me, trading is generally out. Well, and solutions there, we become holders and that's it. What is that? It is keeping our Bitcoin, our cryptocurrency safe and doing nothing, waiting for the price to go up and sell someday. It has its advantages, and we've talked about it in many times on the channel. For me, okay for the holders strategy. I certainly have a less risk profile than traders. Holding is simpler, you buy and that's it. It doesn't require advanced technical knowledge or spending hours analyzing charts and markets. We don't risk making a bad trade or making a mistake, making a bad decision. And if that wasn't enough from a tax point of view, well, until we sell in the future, we don't worry about the tax office. Long life holding. But the fact is, it's also frustrating that while we're holding, we are not making anything. We are waiting there for the big shorts, but we are not earning any interest on them. We have the feeling of a lost opportunity compared with the short-term trading. If you're like me and neither trading nor pure holding seems to be the solution, an interesting alternative could be to use platforms that offer the possibility of earning interest on your cryptocurrencies. This option offers a balance between growth potential and risk reduction. This is what platforms like our partners at M2 allow us to do. So maybe you wanna have a look on M2. With them, we achieve an interest rate up to 10% of your cryptocurrencies. This means you can generate passive income from your assets without having to sell them. The process is super simple and we'll do it together step by step in a moment, from registering to starting to earn our interest. As easy as using the link in the description to create an account, then send us the cryptocurrency or buy the one you want to earn and have a return, and that's it. With M2, we can put our cryptocurrencies to work. Buy them, you have there more than 40 of the main ones, and then you can just wait because they are adding more of them almost every day. Then you can exchange them for some others maybe and decide even to trade. They have a trade possibility too. So convert, trade, it's up to you, but today in this video we're talking about making some interest better than trading, in my opinion. It's a good platform for doing all these very different things, but in my opinion best for earning, as they have very competitive fees. M2 is a relatively new cryptocurrency exchange based in Abu Dhabi, capital of United Arab Emirates. Despite its short history, it has quickly gained recognition in the region and internationally for its innovative approach and commitment to security. M2 is backed by a consortium of leading investors and companies in the region. This combination of financial backing and technological expertise provides M2 with a solid foundation for growth and expansion. Now with us to the Spanish-speaking world. In terms of security, as I say, complying with regulators' processes, it operates under the supervision of the Financial Service Regulatory Authority of Abu Dhabi Global Market, a special economic zone with a strong regulatory framework for financial companies. The exchange meets all international regulatory and security standards, including Know Your Customer, and anti-money laundering. Cold storage. Most customer funds are stored in cold wallets offline, which reduces the risk of cyber attacks. And fund insurance. M2 has insurance to protect customer funds in case of unforeseen events. In addition, it is in the process of being regulated in Spain. M2 could be the main exchange in the MENA area, geographical and cultural area, with countries like Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Qatar, and also in the north of Africa, Egypt, Libya, Tunisia, Algeria, etc., etc. A region with impressive potential, now with an exchange that wants to expand internationally. And very importantly, my experience with the customer support team has been very good. M2 offers multilingual customer service available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to solve any questions or problems user might have. That said, final warning, while earning interest on your cryptocurrencies may seem an attractive option, it's important to consider that investing in crypto assets is not without risk. The investment could go well or you could lose all. Don't invest money you can afford to lose. As always, the key is to do your thorough research and consider all options and risks before making investment decisions. Now, step by step with a simple tutorial, let's register and put a little bit of Bitcoin to work, for example. And I'm gonna use the video I created in Spanish. If you wanna watch it, well, just go to our Spanish channel, you have it there. It's going to be, for me, easier to follow from that video, and you can see I'm telling you there in Spanish that we have a link in the description below, and the first thing we need to know is create a new account. So it's going to ask you for an email address and password. Use the QR if you want, use the link in the description below, it doesn't matter. Then you have to verify your email, you have to put some information about your personal data and your identity. You have to do, as always, a picture of your ID and then probably a video looking right and left, and that's that. Now, we can work with little verified. If you want to expand your limits, you will need more documents. But now we can just go to deposit and we can buy the crypto or we can deposit it. So probably the most usual thing is to deposit your crypto from another exchange. So you have to go there, you have to find the address for that deposit. In this case, we're talking about Bitcoin. So we go to the exchange where we have our Bitcoin right now that we want to bring into M2. We're going to go there, use the max amount in my case, and then we put the address. Be careful with that address. You don't have a mistake there. Don't make a mistake there, a fat fingers mistake. And it's going to be very easy. We ask for it to be there, and as it's Bitcoin, it's going to take a while. But we can try maybe with other cryptos as we wait for the Bitcoin to be in the platform, like Solana, for example, with a 10% APY. And remember that this is going to be for some time. And remember to be on X Twitter if you want to know special promotions, special campaigns like this 10% APY for Solana with our friends on M2. So if you want some Solana, you go there, use some USDT. If you have it there, in my case, 100 USDTs, we are going to turn it into Solana. You see, this is immediate. You have your Solana already in your wallets. We click on earn. We have now our Solana there, and you can see that we can put there the amount of money that we want, and we have a flexible plan or fixed plan. If it's fixed plan, you have 30 days, 60 days, maybe 1 year, and you have also auto renew or not. So decide about the time period and auto or not. In my case, for this experiment, I tried 30 days and I try with auto renew. And I'm going to start earning. You can boost this to 10% APY as I'm telling you, and you will start almost at the very moment to collect your rewards. That was for Solana, as simple as that. We convert, we put our Solana into work, and you have Ape, you have Bitcoin, you have so many other cryptocurrencies where you can just take advantage of. And also you can take advantage of a welcome bonus in rewards. I leave you the link in the description below with all the information about that, and you'll learn there how you can make those 260 USDTs. Those are going to be for your commissions when you want to trade in the platform. Remember to use the QR for this promotion, and you have 100 USDT when you sign up and verify your identity. Then you have 60 USDTs when you deposit on M2 at least $50 or equivalent, and then in the step 3 you have 100 USDT also when you put on earn some of that money. So that's the way of having your welcome bonus. Do not miss that opportunity. Really interesting in my opinion. Remember again, go to M2 because there you have the promotions that you have. We also have the cat as usual in our channel. This one hiding there, so comfy, cause he's making some money now with M2, our friends, our exchange. And finally, we got our Bitcoin. It was validated on the blockchain, and I went to earn. I try to put that on the earn with a 30-day period time. Again, it's so simple. You just click on the bottom, you just put the maximum amount or the amount that you want, you decide auto renew or not, and you start earning. But I made a mistake that I don't have enough. So I had to convert from USDT a little bit also into Bitcoin. That was immediate, as you can see there. And now that I had the minimum amount, well, I can go there, 0.0038. In my case, I went all the way up to 0.005 and I started earning with my Bitcoin. It's as simple as that. So go there, check your wallets, and you can see you have your cryptocurrencies and they are working for you already. So in my opinion, this is a no-brainer. In short, if you're looking for a simple exchange but one that gives you the best features, do not miss out M2. Maximize your cryptocurrency portfolio. Join now and multiply your earnings with the welcome bonus. And we keep on looking for the best in the crypto world to keep on learning and sharing with you here the information on CryptoNews. Of course, with Rodrigo Arnedo, your host for the most here. Fun on the ride, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. Cryptocurrencies to the max. To the moon!